Hello guys! Again, buhay OFW. Sa office nga pala namin, actually sa workplace namin, may bagong open na Carrefour. Ayan, we're checking it out. Back vlogs pala to guys. This is Jessie Ketz. Welcome to my channel. And I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. Night shopping. Jumbo? Oo, yung pangtuhog.
2,000 years later.
Actually guys, ayan ang mga gawa namin. During the pandemic, dito sa Dubai. Yan ang mga activities namin. Pumupunta kami sa mountain. Nagma-mountain biking sila. Kaya kung makikita nyo, mayroong mga clips dito na we are wearing mask. O, let's watch. Yan po ang hobby ni Mr. Ketz at na mga munchkins ko. O, diba? Let's watch this view. Kita nyo ba guys? Ang daring, diba? Ang daring ng kanilang sports. And like, you know, parang life lang yan. Akit sila sa mountain, they will struggle. Tapos, pag natapos nila yung trail na yan, ang sarap ng feeling nila. Kaya yan ang mga hobby ng mga mountain bikers dito. Well, kung familiar kayo sa place at kung mountain bikers kayo dito sa UAE, alam nyo tong place na to. So, pahulaan po tayo ha. Let's watch them again. Aside from mountain biking, watching and playing in the mountains, paborito namin gawin dito sa UAE during the pandemic. Alam ko naman guys, we don't wanna go back to that place or that memories. Pero guys, what happened during pandemic, para sa amin, it's a blessing in disguise na rin. Kasi we are able to spend time with my munchkins, o diba, one whole year namin kasama sila dito sa Dubai. And life during that time, I know it's not easy, pero look at us. We are bonding kasi hindi kami makalabas. I mean, dito kasi okay lang lumabas, pero you will still have to wear mask. So, most of the time, we spend together, o diba, as a family. Yan ang buhay naming OFW during that time. Kayo ba, anong ginawa nyo most of the time? I feel some become baker, kainin baker, ako natuto ako magluto, mag-experiment sa mga food, yan yung mga ginawa namin. And most of the time dito, ayan, nagpi-play lang sila sa park, yung mga outdoor activities na enjoy namin yan. So, for me, it's a good memory, o diba? Although sa outside world talaga we are so down, pero remember, kahit we're so down ngayon, for sure we are back busy bodies na naman tayo, guys. Pero always remember that family is the best bonding of all. O, diba? So, ayan, look at them. We enjoy. Kahit mainit yan, ha. Talagang lalabas kami just to play in the park over here. O, diba? Sino nagsabi na wala kaming park dito? May park din po kami. So, kung ayaw nyo pumunta sa mall,
straight ka lang.
Mga tao dito, especially the children, they love to play in the parks. Free lang po yung parks namin dito sa Dubai. Yan po ang aming life during the pandemic over here.
Go, Mia! Hawak ka na sa dibdib mo. Ganyan ka lang.
Ayaw! Huwag kang higa. Upo ka lang, upo.
Go! Ano ba yan? Magpadulas ka! Nahihilo ka? Hi! Sana yung dalawa, ayun, nakatayo doon. Ano tinitingnan nila? Patay na ba yung pusa?
Hawak mo! Sasali ako! Ano ka? Upo ka dyan, upo ka. Upo ka.
Hala!
Doon kay Mami. Doon ka sa harapan. Alright. Ay, huwag ka na malakas. Dahan-dahan lang. Ayan lang.
Ano ba yan? Oh, grabe. Guys, look. Nagtago, oh. Pagkatapos siya po mag-exercise, si Mia, nag-play sa playground. She's gonna eat her favorite, our favorite, ice cream cone.
Yes.
Bakit may libre ka?
Libre.
Okay. Yan po ang You admin, hello. Tagal, dami ba nilang order? Po kaming free kakabili ni Mr. Kets using your app dito. Pag gagamitin nyo yung points, may free kayo. Oh, ayan po, free free 9 pieces of chicken McNuggets. Oh. Nuggets ready. It's our favorite. Miss.
Thank you.
Oh.
Ano?
Okay, open mo na. Tadan! Hot pot soup, guys! Kain tayo.
One eternity later.
Guys, we are here. Look at Mr. Kets!
I can drive it!
Oh my gosh, nahulog po siya. Hi! One pajama girl. Oh, si pajama girl, oh. And one jumper girl. Ate is just plain black.
Boring.
Ito po yung kanya. Ayan po. Ito po ay bumibili
Yan,
po ng Sunday cone. Guys.
Coming.
Ate Jaja, be ready.
Okay, thank you. Bitaw mo na.
Okay.
Thank you.
8 lang ba?
Dalawa pa. Coming.
Biyatot. Aray ko! That's another day. So, diba days yun, guys? That's another days. Kung anong gawa namin during the pandemic here sa Dubai. Siyempre, nag-work pa rin kami ni Mr. Kets. That is our Gary. O, diba? Nung bago pa lang siya at mag-isa pa lang siya dito sa aming house. Yun lang, guys. As I always said, always spend time with your loved ones. That is the best treasure you could ever keep, especially in your memories. Yun lang. Have a great day. That's an OFW Days here in Dubai. And thank you guys for watching. Mwah! And remember to always be a blessing to others. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me also on all my social medias and let's be friends. Later.